welcome to our top 5 crypto news for this week. Number 5. For the first time in history, all the blocks in the Ethereum blockchain will be joined together. The merger is planned to take place between September 13 and September 16. The difficulty level on the PayU network will climb to the point where mining new blocks will be impossible at the time of the merging. On Tuesday, the network's penultimate hard fork before the merge, the Bellatrix update, went live. It heralds the long-awaited move from proof of work to proof of stake. Ether, ETH, is now trading at $1,665, up 6.24% in the last 24 hours. Number 4. Franklin Templeton, a global investment management firm, will provide digital asset strategies to wealth managers. Shares in Solana Beach, California-based investment firm Polygon, have risen more than 50% in the past year, helped by a rise in the value of the digital currency Bitcoin. The Franklin Templeton Digital Assets Core Capped Fund contains identical assets, but Bitcoin and Ether are each limited to 25%. As of June 30, Solana's SOL represented 9.83% of the portfolio, while Polygon's NATIC represented 5.74%. Franklin Templeton, which manages more than $1.3 trillion in assets, will launch 2 digital assets separate account strategies. Franklin Templeton Digital Assets Core is a market cap-weighted strategy that invests in 10 to 15 of the biggest digital assets. Number 3. Crypto startup Slide raises $12.3 million to connect new users to Web3 apps. Slide, one of the first web-based app stores in the world, has launched a new app store for the Web3 protocol, which allows developers to build third-party apps for the platform. Slide, a startup that provides user experience infrastructure for decentralized applications, has raised $12.3 million in a seed funding round. The seed funding round was co-led by crypto-focused investment firms Polychain Capital and Framework Ventures. The New York-based Slide was founded earlier this year by Timur Farmanfarmayan and Sam Haytham. Slide came out of stealth mode alongside the funding round in a closed launch, working with a select handful of partners. Number 2. The Chicago Bulls is set to release NFT artwork recreating their iconic logo. Later this month, the Chicago Bulls will debut a new NFT collection with one-of-one artworks created by numerous well-known artists, tasked with redesigning the National Basketball Association team's famed logo. Later this month, the Chicago Bulls will release a new NFT collection. Several well-known artists have created one-of-one artworks for the collection. In July 2021, the Bulls issued a legacy NFT collection. The collection commissioned NFT artists and designers such as Bobby Hundreds, Deadfellas, and Kex to revamp the NBA emblem, which hasn't been updated since 1966. On to the number 1 for this week, Doge. Despite the recent Bitcoin crisis, Ether remains one of the greatest cryptos poised to soar, and it will benefit from the merger of Ethereum and Bitcoin. For the last week, the Bitcoin market has struggled. Investors are seeking the finest cryptos to purchase for consistent profits. Doge is a cryptocurrency gaming environment where users may purchase pets in the form of non-fungible tokens, NFTs. Despite the current Bitcoin drop, Doge remains one of the greatest cryptos primed to rise. Players may purchase NFTs produced for each reward on the Lucky Block non-fungible token contest platform. Thank you for watching this week's top crypto news on Oslo Crypto.